Hey guys, my name is Michelle Diaz and I'm here at RoninRigs to give you some information on bolt sizing. Our first bolt is for the puck to attach to a 4x4 plate. You'll need to use the included 1032 half-inch flathead bolts. These bolts are beveled and fit flush with the plate, which allows you to bolt the plate to any flat cheese plate. If you want to mount the puck, plate, and Steadicam adapter, you'll need a 10/32 socket head bolt, which is 5/8 of an inch long. The second bolt is used to attach the puck to a C-stand or Steadicam mount. The 3/4 inch Steadicam mount and suitcase mode all require 10/32 half-inch socket head bolts. These, however, aren't included.